Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to check battery life on Redmi Buds 8 Lite. So to do this you should have the Xiaomi earbuds application. You can download it from any app store. If you are using Android or iPhone it's the same. And you will open the app, and as you can see, if the box of your buds is closed, it will show you always connecting. I will open the box now, and as you see, it will connect. Now it's connected, and as you can see, it shows me like the left, the right, and the case, like charging state. So the left is 100%, the right is 100%, and the case is 90% of charge. And of course, if the left and right buds uh, are going like to turn off by charge, you should put them in the case and they will be charging normally. So you should always follow up how much is the charge of your case. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.